Task 2.11 is to check your AR statement. Okay, so to check your AR statement, you can actually go to your AR and then you can go to the AR debtor statement report. So you can actually go here, debtor statement report. Okay, and then the first instruction is to view the statement of customer 1 from 1st of January 2020 to 31st of January 2020. So you need to view your date range here from 1st January until 31st January. Okay, after that you need to choose the debtor. So to choose the debtor, you choose filter by multi-select and you need to select only customer 1. Okay, so after that you can just click OK. To view the debtor statement, first after you have choose all the basic options, okay, for this one, you can just click on the inquiry. The next step, after you click inquiry, you can click on the preview. Okay, to preview your report. Okay, so after that you may choose either the debtor statement 12 months or 6 months. So for example, we choose 12 months. Okay, and the report will generate after few seconds. So here under your debtor statement, you can see your customer name here and the address and the statement date as up to 31st of January. So here it says that the second instruction says that to change the amount of CN 0001 dated on 20th of January, which is this one, from 100 to 110. Then preview the statement again. So to change the amount 100 to 110, you may just click on the amount here and it will actually link you to the original document that you have recorded before. So you have to change this 100 to 110. So to change this, you can just go to edit button at the top here. Okay, after you click edit, then you can actually change the amount to 110. So after you change 110 here, you can see the knock off here, you are still paying the 100. Okay, this one still paying 100. So to make it 110, you need to untick and tick again. So it will become 110. Okay, after you're done, you can just click on save button to save your changes. When you save your changes, you can see that this 100, okay, the statement is not capture the new changes. So what you can do is you need to close first the print preview, click inquiry again, and you may click on preview 12 months. And after you preview the new statement, you can see the CN already changed from 100 to 110. Okay, so that is for the task 2.11. 2.12 is return check. For this task, it says that the customer 1, okay, the check that you receive from customer 1 is actually bounced and has been returned by the bank on 25th. So how we are going to update if we receive a return check? So first of all, you need to go to the AR payment. When you receive a payment from your customer, you record under AR payment. So you click on the right click to view your listing. So payment that is actually bounced is the OR004 dated on 18th of January. Okay, so this is the transaction that actually been bounced by the bank. So how are we going to update it? We need to click on the edit button. Okay, so after you click on edit, you can see there's a one column is RCHQ. So basically this column is for return check. Whenever you receive a return check, you may click on this button, and when you click on the empty space, automatically there's no payment will knock off into the invoice, because the system will capture saying that this customer still haven't paid this amount yet. Okay, since the check is bounced. So to update it, you need to save the return check. The next task will be task 2.13, which is post-dated check and AR statement. Okay, so to do this post-dated check will be the same as you record the payment that you receive from customer. So it says that the customer 1 has issued another check RHB 123477 2000 dated on 5th of February to replace the return check. So you need to record the AR received payment for this one. So assuming that we are still in January month, so when you receive a check that dated on February, you have to record as usual. So to record AR payment, we click on the left click and we choose customer 1, which is the same customer, to replace the bounce check. Payment on account, but the date here we put 5th of February even though we are in January. You have to follow the check date. So after that, you put in the payment method. So the payment method is by CMBKL, and then the check number is RHB 123477, and then the amount is 2000 to replace the check. So which invoice that we need to knock off? Invoice number 1. Okay, so after you have tick this invoice number 1, you just click on the save button to save your transaction. So when you record this post-dated check, whenever you view your statement, debtor statement report, for example, I view from 1st of January until 31st of January. So one was selected was customer 1. So I just click inquiry and I click on preview. So when I preview my statement, you can see there is a post-dated check here. It says that there is a one check RHB 12347, this OR number, under post-dated check received. Okay, why this appear? Because our statement is only from 1st of January until 31st of January. That's why the post-dated check record appear as the post-dated check column. So if you view your report until 28th of February, you can see you will get a different statement. So let's try. When you view until 28th of February, you can see your payment just now already include in the statement, which is this one. Okay, so that is the difference between the date. If you view date until January, then it will appear as a post-dated check. But if you view until February, then it will group it together under the statement. Okay, so after you have done everything, now it's the time for us to do the backup. So to do backup, you can just click on tools and click on backup. So you rename your backup file name to backup task 2.14, and after that you choose your folder. If I want to update a new one, so I choose desktop and click OK. After that, you can just click backup to. Backup completed successfully. And you can close from the backup wizard.